So hello friends, welcome in this new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you the Jetson Nano developer kit which our faculty member have received, and this is a mini computer, we can say that. I'm going to show you everything whatever we have received, and what are the working process of those things, and what things we have received in this kit, and I'm going to define everything. And I have requested to my professor Tasin Mullah sir, so I have requested to him that provide me this kit, and so that I can make a video on it for you people, so that you can see what the Jetson Nano developer kit. Basically it is being provided by NVIDIA. And coming to the main point, I'm going to unbox it. So this is the box through which we have received it. So we can see here. So the first thing I have received in this that's the charging box. So you all know that another thing is the main thing for the storage system is that we have received the 32 GB SanDisk memory card. And again now another thing is that we have received the HDMI. Yeah, I think it is a HDMI port cable. Yeah, it is a HDMI connector. So we have received it. I think it is a Wi-Fi adapter. Yeah, it will be the Wi-Fi adapter about the 4 kilometer range, and for that we are using the two connectors, and I'm going to show you. Yeah, this is the chipset, and these are the two connectors. Yeah, by this way we have to connect to them, and they will provide us the range near about 4 kilometers. And we have to enter this chipset into the main developer kit. I will show you that. Let me keep it aside. And the another thing is, yeah, the main setup thing, that is the camera. So you can see that how the camera looks like, and this provides the information to the system that if we are going through the robotics, and we have to connect to this. Yeah, these are some guidelines for it. So we have to be more attentive for it, so that it should not get damaged. Yeah, we are having here two ports of HDMI which are being connected to the laptop, and I'm going to show you how we can connect these through the cable which we have received. Yeah, I think this one is not HDMI port, sorry for that. Yeah, it looks like HDMI port. Yeah, and there are the 4 USB ports which we can connect through with laptops, and this is the LAN port, so we can enter in this LAN. So I have a LAN available here, so I can show you LAN port. So now we can check here, it's having a one A type charging port, also another, and the charger which provides itself is that here we have the charging port. Okay, and after this we are having the storage, so the memory card, where we have to use it. Let me show you. Yeah, here's the memory card, and I think it should be in this. Yeah, in this way we have to put it. Okay, successfully done with the 32 GB of storage. And this is the mini computer. I will show you some knowledge about it additional. So we can see here the Jetson Nano developer kit. The powerful modern AI is now available for making learners, embedded developers everywhere. It's used for learners to make a deep engineering, and we can go through robotics through this, and we can check what are the best uses in the robotics field and in the agriculture field. Yeah, deploy AI with AWS. It works as server also. So now the next video will be about how to connect it with the Ubuntu, or which will be the best server. And I'm going to show you all the setup, how we can set up it with our laptop desktop, and how we can work on it, and the project which we will make on it, and we will provide you everything knowledge how we have made that project. And we are going to make an self-driving car. That is the main motto of our this kit that the sir have provided us for that self-driving car project. We are having the mega project in BTech Computer Science in ADCT. So I'm going to show you everything.